Hello Ji, welcome to my YouTube channel to learn Excel. So in today's video we will talk about two things. One is exact match and second is approximate match in your Excel. So here see, I have this data and I want to look up for it. Suppose I say 1 and here I want to get the username, the employee name. Okay, so I would say lookup value, then arrange, make it fixed by pressing F4 key, then here 2, then a 0. 0 means exact match. Now see, here I can see that there is a duplicate in my data. Here, here, and here. Actually, these records are 3 times duplicated. Every record is a 3 existence. Okay. So once my Vlookup starts looking for a value 1, it stops here and do not go further to look for another occurrences. So if I want that my Vlookup should look for further occurrences or existence of the value also, I can use the approximate match. Okay. Now see, here if I copy this formula and I put it here the same way and I just make it 1 instead of 0, okay, and change the column name as a 3 to get the salary. Okay, make sense? Okay, then there is no difference. For the first occurrence of 1, I have Sanjeev as a name and 10,000 as a salary. Here Sanjeev is okay, but salary 10,000 is not okay. I wanted to get the last occurrence, which is 14400. So what should I do? Okay, for that, make sure that your data is sorted. Alt DS I am pressing on the first case of or the first column or the column in which the data is being looked up. You should sort your records. See, I haven't make any change in the formula, but still my answer would be good to go. Okay. Okay, the reference array is there, so I am just copying and pasting my values here. Now if I sort my data, it should give me a good answer. Okay, it's fine. My apology for the error you seen between the video. Okay, because there was some formula to make this dummy data. So please ignore that and get the good things only. Okay. So here if I want to get the first record in my sorted data, first record is 10,000. So if I make it the initial salary, and if I want to make the next column latest salary, then okay, then I can make a 0 here and I should copy the formula and I can paste it here and I should make 0 as a 1. Now you will see the initial salary means exact match, means once you start looking up, here it ends because first occurrence is getting only, because you have mentioned 0 as a parameter. But once the parameter is 1 here, in this case it should look for 1, then 1 again, then 1 again. Now it say it is not 1. Okay, it should go back and return the final row or the last row. Okay, so with this I would like to end this video, and next time we will check how we can make this column parameter or column index as your dynamic. Okay, so keep learning, stay with knowledge to Excel. Thank you for your support. Keep growing, keep sharing. Thank you so much.